of the week. The bank holiday weekend really hasn't been too bad today. Certainly there have been some showers around, but most of them up in the north. And most of us, in fact, have had a fair amount of sunshine. You can see on the league table, Isle of Man came off best with 13 hours and 18 minutes or so. And many places ending up 8 to 10 hours of glorious sunshine. Well, the high pressure then is dominating the scene, but we've got weather fronts up in the north. They're going to be briefly pushing across into parts of Scotland through tonight. You can see this on the weather map quite nicely. This is the area of cloud and rain. That's going to push its way across into Scotland. I think the rain eventually getting up into Lerwick, I think by the end of the night, with the heaviest of the rain in the north, patches of rain coming further south. But for most of England and Wales, ending up a dry night, a fairly misty night in that southeastern part. Now the winds are quite light down in the south, but quite strong up in northern areas. Winds in fact getting up to, 20 to 25 miles an hour. So that'll keep the temperatures up in the north, but down in the south, a cold night. There could well be a widespread ground frost, I think almost anywhere, except right along the coast. I think there we're likely to stay with temperatures above freezing. Going ahead then to Tuesday, high pressure dominating the scene, with these weather fronts just clipping up into northern parts. So as far as tomorrow's concerned, really not a bad day, a dry day over most parts of England and Wales, a good deal of sunshine too. Sunshine becoming more and more hazy as we go further north. In fact, a good deal of cloud in the northern part of Scotland. Windy weather, bits and pieces of rain about, but then gradually brightening as that rain pushes its way northwards and brightening up over some southeastern parts of Scotland. Let's have a look at the temperatures tomorrow. Really not too bad, a bit cold near the coastal fringes, but up to 16 or so in many inland places. And then looking ahead to the next 2 or 3 days, high pressure really dominating the scene. But you can see the isobars getting fairly close together down in south, so quite windy weather in southern parts. There we're going to find it quite cold, but many places ending up dry with